Welcome back. In this section, I'll talk about some basic system concept. We'll go through a few terminologies that we broadly use in the world of SAP. Now let me ask you a simple question. Do you know how we outline different business departments in the SAP Enterprise Resource Planning? Because it's really important to understand some basic system concepts like master data, organizational units and elements. With these concepts, you can easily map your business structure to SAP systems and get useful information on their activities. A company's enterprise structure is mapped to the SAP applications by using organizational elements. Organizational elements are the mechanism for defining a company's enterprise structure within the SAP system for legal and business-related purposes. Organizational elements include legal company entities, plants, storage locations, sales offices and profit centers. They may be assigned to a single or to several applications. Each organizational element, such as plant, is first defined in the implementation guide and then linked to other organizational elements, thus representing the whole enterprise structure. While defining organizational elements, remember they define the structure for how data is to be entered, tracked and extracted from the SAP system. The possible organizational elements from the highest to lowest level are client, company code, plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel, organization unit, and position. And in the coming slide, I'll explain the detailed relation between these. For example then, we've just drawn the most common organizational structure for Orange Company. So from the diagram, we can see client is the highest level of all organizational elements. Now, company code is the highest legal entity. Normally it's created by tax law, commercial law and other financial accounting criteria. Meanwhile, SAP Implementation Consultant will also consider geographical factors. Company code is a subsidiary of client. One client may have many company codes. Plant is a physical location which is set up in material management. The plant is also a central organizational unit in production and planning. It belongs to one company code, but one company code may have many plants. Storage location describes material stocks and inventory management, and it's affiliated to plant. Now, one plant may have several locations. For example, the storage locations of raw material R001 and finished material F001. Sales organization is the central organizational unit in sales order management, and it controls the sales activities of different customers. Distribution channel can be used to define how the products reach customers. So for example, we can sell goods from plant to retailers, then retailers distribute the products to customers, or Orange directly sells to the customer. Organization unit describes the different functional or relational regional departments within an enterprise. Alright, in this section I'm going to talk about master data, the core data that is essential to operations in ERP. So first thing, what is master data then? Well, this is the core data essential to operations in a specific business or business unit. Master data is shared by different people for different purposes at the same time. Information about material, customers, suppliers are not changed frequently. Therefore, if the users have to re-enter this information, it'll be a huge waste of effort. So it's really efficient to keep this information in a place where every user can access it. So master data is normally created centrally for long-term usage. All applications can access master data, and people can pick up the organized data into different views. Some typical examples of master data would be materials master data, customer master data, personnel master data, and so on and so forth. So a few examples then. Customer master data describes the business relationship between a company and their clients. Generally, this contains the customer's general information, such as name and address, phone number, and other information. As the attributes in customer, supplier master data also contains the completed basic information to define the relationship between a company and their suppliers. Employee master data is used primarily by SAP ERP Human Capital Management module for management, and this function enables you to map your organization structure efficiently. We plan to drill down to the details in the Human Capital Management section. Assume you're responsible for managing the master data of the customer records that are relevant to accounting in the financial department. After creating a customer invoice in the previous lecture within the logistics area, you now want to understand how a customer master record works and how it's integrated into the general ledger. Verify system settings that are important to understand the entry and posting of a customer invoice in accounts receivable, and display the customer master record of customer TZ03 and identify the reconciliation account that is stored in the company code data. To display the data code, we use the company code 1010 and the SAP Fiori app Maintain Business Partner. So in the SAP Fiori Launchpad, choose the Master Data tile group and start the SAP Fiori app Maintain Business Partner. And you get to the Maintain Business Partner screen. Now in the Business Partner field, enter TC03 and press Enter. Choose FI Customer from the drop-down list of the field Display in BP role, and you'll see the general information of the customer. Now change to the company code specific data and choose the company code button. And the company code 1010 is automatically displayed. So press enter. And the reconciliation account is displayed in the customer account management group. 1210000 is the reconciliation account that you're looking for. To understand the structure of the finance side of a business partner, switch to the Customer Payment Transactions group to check the default payment terms on the finance side. If you want to know the dunning information, switch to the Customer Correspondence group to check the dunning information. And close the window that opened during the process and return to the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Okay, in this demo I'm going to show you how to display a customer master data. So I've opened up the SAP GUI and will locate a customer master record. Assume we're going to use the customer ROA00, company code 1000, IDSAG, sales organization 1000, so that's Germany, Frankfurt, distribution channel 10, final customer sales, and division 00, cross division, as a variant to display the customer master data. From the SAP Easy Access menu, choose Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Master Data, Business Partners, Customer, Display, and double-click Complete. Now enter customer RORA00. Then enter company code 1000. Sales organization, enter 1000. In distribution channel, enter 10. And in division, enter 00. Now choose Enter. Locate the general data. Choose the Address tab, and here we get the customer address related information. So you can see the street name is Waldstrasse 86 to 90. The customer is located in the city of Berlin. The customer search term is SAP01. Then we locate the company code data. Choose the company code data icon from the application toolbar. Choose the account management tab. Now we can see the reconciliation account is 140,000. The reconciliation account in General Ledger is the account that's updated parallel to the sub-ledger account for normal postings, for example invoice or payment. Then we navigate to Sales Area Data. Choose the Sales Area Data icon from the application toolbar. Now choose the Shipping tab. We can see the shipping conditions is O2 standard. Choose the Billing Document tab. And we can see the terms of payment are ZB01. And all the information we have just seen is extremely important for a customer master record.